बरसात हो ना हो दिल से जानी मुलाकात हो ना हो लग जाने के हंसी रात हो ना हो दिल से जानी मुलाकात हो ना हो लग जाने से Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Hinme. That was melodious. Next, we move to the next segment. That is felicitation of distinguished alumni. Today, we are very fortunate to have in our midst who have brought laurel not only to our college, but to the whole of Karbi Anglong. And we have these three heroes amongst us today. The first one, Sir Honesor Inti. Second, Sir Thorom Teron. And third, Everester Horsing Teran. They made us proud, they made our land proud, they made our people proud, and we are very proud of them. So now, we would like to take, Difu Government College would like to take the pleasure of felicitating these three heroes of Karbi Anglong. First, I would like to request our principal man to felicitate on behalf of the Dgc family to felicitate Honesor Inti Sir, the recipient of Padma Shri 2022. I think we should all stand up and give a huge round of applause. Serihun Teronpi. Serihun Teronpi will read the citation. Sorry, it is Jelina Musawe Madam who is going to read the citation.
With immense pleasure, I read this citation of honor presented to Padma Shri Honesor Inti for his invaluable contribution to the society through his pen, his writings. Honesor Inti, from humble beginnings and hard work, has reached milestones in successes requiring long hours of commitment and focus. He served as the Joint Secretary under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Karbi Anglong. He is also the life member of Assam Sahitya Sabha and served as its executive member in the year 2009 to 2011. A prolific writer of poems and short stories, his works have been published in various newspapers, including the Sentinel, the Assam Tribune, Amor Assam, etc., the Arlen Daily, and all. Some of his renowned works of literature are Candle of the Night, a collection of self-composed poems, The Coral Tree, an anthology of poetry, The Endless Journey of a Poet, A Glimpse of Greatness,